Now it's available on Africa's Mazda 2 in metallic blue. It's on 15-inch alloy wheels. Let's have a look inside the car. It's got a velour interior with 5 headrests, electric windows on the back, electric windows on the front, and also electric and folding mirrors. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and Bluetooth, start stop button. It's got a radio and CD player, air conditioning, climate control, USB and aux port. For your safety, airbags on the front, on the side and on the back. To book a test and get more information about this car, please give us a call.